Meaning of immure.
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 Immure. The word immure means to confine or enclose within walls, typically as a form of punishment or imprisonment. It can also refer to being shut off or isolated from the outside world. When someone is immured, they are completely cut off from the outside world and left to live a life of isolation. This can have a major impact on their mental and emotional well-being, leading to feelings of hopelessness and despair. Being immured is a severe form of punishment that has been used throughout history, often intended to break the will of the individual and induce compliance.